personally not a fan of calling people crazy, but let's not act like crazy people don't actually exist. And spiritual practitioners, healers, metaphysicians, magicians, coaches even, therapists, counselors, basically all of you who are in the position to help other people, you need to be really careful about protecting yourself against these crazy people. The thing about crazy people, they don't take accountability. And most of the time, they're not even aware. You particularly have to be careful if you're someone who values empathy and compassion so much that you're willing to blind yourself and ignore someone's toxic and dangerous behaviors. And by dangerous, I'm talking about the behaviors that are potentially harmful and dangerous to other people, and even emotionally damaging and psychologically disturbing. Let's be really real. Spiritual people, especially the people who are working with the light, they attract a lot of crazy people because a lot of these crazy people are possessed. And I know that sounds like the very lazy way of describing someone's toxic behaviors, but it is true. While mental illnesses is a real thing, people's brain becoming traumatized and being damaged, and therefore it changing their behaviors and actions and their thought processes significantly, that is also a thing. However, it is also a thing that these people are more susceptible to becoming possessed by dark spirits or demonic spirits or manipulative spirits. And as a light worker, you're going to be tempted to help these people. You're going to be tempted to offer yourself to these people. But here's the thing about being a light worker. Every light worker is also different, by the way. Not all of you are trained enough or capable enough to deal with the dark forces in a productive and constructive way. They will take advantage of you, but they will weaponize your empathy against yourself. So it's not them that you're dealing with. It's your own empathy that they're manipulating, that they're using against you. So when you know that you're a highly empathetic person and you know that's one of your weaknesses, it is better to set strong boundaries and do not deal with these people in the first place. Because I'm telling you, crazy people exist and they're rampant. They love spiritual people. They love kind people. They love light workers. They will latch onto you and they will weaponize your empathy against you, and they'll make you feel bad if you ever draw boundaries, or if you ever state how you feel, or if you ever cut them off. If you ever get an icky feeling about someone, cut that person out of your life. That is your spirit warning you. Don't ever ignore red flags you see in someone energetically. And remember, no matter how much of a healer you are, it is not your responsibility to save someone else, especially someone who is not taking responsibility over their own life.